Millions of years ago, humans first learned how to harness the power of fire. Thousands of years ago, humans learned to meld metal together by creating pressure with fire during the Bronze Age. And today, some of the highest paying and most in-demand careers involve a torch that can fuse or cut metal to build the world's mightiest ships, tallest buildings, or some of the most captivating artwork ever seen. Novice welders can enter the workforce making $15 to $20 an hour, while more experienced welders can net an annual salary over $50,000. With more welders retiring each year, there are literally hundreds of thousands of openings for this in-demand skilled trade. Through the Early Career Program, high school students in Newport News Public Schools have access to advanced courses and certifications in welding during their senior year. Newport News Public Schools fully understands that students have a range of pathways to follow after graduation. All jobs do not require a college degree, with most skilled trades relying on experience, certifications, and hands-on expertise. Skilled trades are becoming more and more important in our everyday lives. Even with a world on the brink of full technological automation, it is skilled workers who make these advances possible. The Early Career Program seeks to offer students the most direct route to a successful career, while saving students money and time. Through a partnership with Thomas Nelson Community College, high school seniors are able to take advanced welding courses while still in high school. Early career students are eligible for the welding portion of the program at the end of the first semester in their senior year, and upon successful completion of standard or advanced diploma requirements. Once eligible, the door is open for seniors to complete courses at TNCC in the spring. The discounted cost for tuition, textbooks, and supplies is only $200 for early career participants, saving families about $8,000 in enrollment fees. The region's best welding instructors will guide students through 5 courses, focusing on the techniques and safe operation of several welding methods, including stick welding, flux cord, and gas tungsten arc welding. Small class sizes allow more individual training in an accelerated learning environment. The experience and certifications gained here, along with job placement support, will immediately open employment opportunities for early career graduates. Don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by. Talk to your school counselor today for registration details. Openings for enrollment in the Early Career Program are extremely limited, while the potential for success in the welding trade is limitless. With a higher than average starting pay, good benefits, and available jobs all across the globe, you can build a bright future through the NNPS Early Career Program in welding.